Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ukanrat ke sangma hakasngi balang laong baki bor pulit ka Jylla kilala ban pynjem khnap no ya ka kynhun kieng atiar National Liberation Council of Nongkendong NLCN ka badang syumi thamai hakapor ka babiang. Habakran cekilat pathai khubor usangma ulaong kalong ka basisha ba kidon kibriu kiba persang ban penya so lang bat kiba persang ru ban penyo ya kikam ai jing hikai. Hendra yakini baro lala ban pen pulam no hakapor ka babiang hakaba la yo ru ban kem no ya kombashi phongot ki dekhot jong kani ka kynhun. Kata kiba lakam ya ladi kum kinong ya lam jong ka kynhun. Nalor kata na kaliang UCM ulaong ru ba ka NLCN kampat day satya ka kynhun ka balabiang. Namar ka jingkloy jong ka tenat pulit ka Jylla ban pynjem khnap no. Syuk ulaong ru ba ka dang day tang ka kynhun jong kiriu shimet ki badang persang ban thau ya ka kynhun ka bathemai. Hendrai kumbala penpau bana kaliang ki pulit ki layo ban pynjem khnap no na kapor ka babiang marya yo ya ka jingtep ka batikna halor ka ni ka jing persang thau seng jong ka ni ka kynhun.
Yes, there were certain individuals who tried to get together, who tried to bring out this unit and tried to get training. But this was all kind of neutralized at the right time, and approximately 10 people, 10 plus minus, I can't remember exact numbers, of people have already been arrested. Their so-called top leaders have been arrested. So hence it was not really formed as such, not really any formal thing happened. It was a group of people who were trying to form this kind of stuff, but as I said, the intel was collected at the right time and the action has been taken. So there is no such group as such.